What if one massive solar storm could knock out every satellite, GPS, and power grid on Earth? It's not science fiction, it's a very real possibility. And right now, scientists in Europe are running doomsday simulations to prepare for it. Welcome to the story of the next Carrington Event, the solar storm that could end our modern way of life in just a few hours. Every so often, the sun releases an enormous burst of plasma-charged dust and gas into space at speeds up to 2 million miles per hour. These are called solar storms, and when they hit Earth, they can scramble satellites, fry power grids, and turn the night sky into a glowing aurora. The most famous of these happened in 1859, the Carrington Event. It was so powerful it made the northern lights visible as far south as Central America, and even fried telegraph systems. Now imagine that kind of storm striking today in our hyper-connected electronic world. The result? Global chaos. At the European Space Agency in Germany, teams are preparing for the worst. They're running intense simulations testing what would happen if another Carrington-level solar flare hit Earth. In their most recent drill, they simulated an X-45 class flare, a monster eruption that would bombard Earth with X-rays and ultraviolet radiation just 8 minutes after it left the sun. Then 10 minutes later, the second wave would arrive, blasting satellites like the new Sentinel-1D with high-energy particles, potentially frying their systems beyond repair. And the third wave? A full-blown coronal mass ejection slamming into Earth at over 1,200 miles per hour, causing massive geomagnetic storms. Think, satellites falling out of orbit, power lines exploding, and cities plunged into darkness. According to ESA's Jorge Amaya, such an event could increase satellite drag by 400% and cut years off satellite lifespans. Even low Earth orbit spacecraft wouldn't be safe. As he put it, "We will feel its real effect only after the event, but we must be ready." But it's not all doom and gloom. The ESA is fighting back with cutting-edge projects like D3S, a new network of space weather sensors, and Virgil, a mission launching in 2031 that will monitor the sun from the side, giving Earth more warning time than ever before. As ESA engineer Thomas Ormston says, "If we can manage that, we can manage any real-life contingency." So, could another Carrington event really happen? Absolutely. The question isn't if, it's when. But thanks to science, we might just be ready when the sun decides to roar again.